In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prevent failed Stripe subscription payments. This process is simple, takes only a few minutes, and can help keep your subscription business running smoothly without unnecessary payment interruptions. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to stripe.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In again to access your Stripe dashboard. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. From here, navigate to Settings, which is usually located near the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click on it to open the Settings panel. Inside Settings, look for Billing under the Product Settings section and click on it. This will open a new page with several billing-related options. Next, find the section labeled Subscriptions and Emails. Scroll down until you see Prevent Failed Payments. This section is especially important because it contains tools designed to reduce payment failures. Here, make sure customer email notifications are enabled. This ensures that your customers are automatically notified if a payment fails, giving them a chance to update their payment details quickly. Once enabled, click Save to apply the changes. Now, scroll further down to the Manage Failed Payments section for subscriptions. Look for the options related to card payments and ensure customer emails are enabled here as well. This keeps customers informed about card-related payment issues and helps reduce unnoticed failures. You may also want to enable email notifications for bank debit payments if applicable. Consistent communication plays a major role in reducing failed subscription payments. As you continue, review the subscription status and invoice status options. Adjust these settings based on your business needs and how you want Stripe to handle failed or pending payments. Finally, scroll down one last time and click Save to lock in all your changes. This step is crucial to ensure your updated settings are applied correctly. And that's it. By following these steps, you've set up Stripe to better handle failed subscription payments, improve customer communication, and maintain a smoother billing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.